Hi guys, this is Dr. Shruti Malik, and on this channel you're going to get lots and lots of tips on how to grow on YouTube and how to start an online business around it. So in today's video specifically, we are going to talk about how to start an online business in 2021 and make your first $1,000 online. So let's dive right into it. First of all, we are going to cover some basic foundations and then we are going to build upon 3 business models in this video. So first of all, you have to find your passion. You have to decide your passion or what are your hobbies. A common way to do that is to ask yourself few questions like, what is it that other people come to me for help? Or what is it that I really like to do in all my free time? Or what is it that I can do for free forever? Like, this is something which I love so much that I don't care whether I get paid or not. For example, that can be teaching somebody about some particular subject, or it can be making YouTube videos, or it can be an entirely new and different thing, or it can be making doodles, or it can be creating some artwork or creating music or anything. Now the next step would be to assess the profitability of this passion. Means we have to do market research in this context, and you can do market research in so many different ways. But essentially this tells you that there is a demand in the market for your particular product or service. If somebody wants to learn something from you specifically and there is enough people who wants to learn that particular thing, let's say videography, professional videography, a lot of people want to learn that, so there is enough demand. Or a lot of people want to learn a specific software like Photoshop, that means there is enough demand. These are just very few basic examples what came to my mind right now, and there are so many things that a lot of people want and you can become the answer to their problems. For example, blogging. People want to learn how to write blogs or how to make more money online or offline. That is like the thing that people want to learn. So guys, please tell me in the comment section, what is it that you really love doing? What is your passion? I would love to know that. Now once your passion has hit the profitability, you have hit the gold mine, guys. All you need is to just turn it into a business model which can finally make you more money. And there are like hundreds of ways to monetize a particular skill, and there are like, it's up to you the way you want to do it. Also, one very important announcement here, there is one very special giveaway at the end of this video and I don't want you to miss that. So please watch the video till the end and enter the giveaway contest. Now let's dive into the first model. The first model is that you can start with being a freelancer. Being a freelancer has its own benefits. First and foremost benefit is that you can work on your own time frame. You don't really need to work for somebody else. You are working at your own terms and conditions and you're getting paid for that work. But the most important thing is that if you're just starting out, it is a good idea to work for free for a few clients, let's say 3-4 clients, and then you can make a portfolio from there, and those people will eventually recommend you to further people. Also, meanwhile, you will be posting about the job offers on different platforms like Upwork, Fiverr and 99 Designs, etc. In the process, you will make a very strong portfolio of yours, which will eventually help you gain more credibility on your skill set and in turn more clients and making more money. So that was one way to monetize your profitable passion. And now we have the second business model on how to start a business online, and that is one of my favorites, coaching business model. In this particular model, you teach people what you have already learned. You help people by shortening their learning curve, by teaching them something you are an expert in. And by expert, I do not necessarily mean that you know everything about that particular topic. Nobody knows everything about anything. So in a sense, it means that you know enough to train more people about the same, or maybe you know a little bit more than others. And there are always people in that range wherein we have beginners, we have intermediate level, and we have advanced level. So an intermediate level can very well be coaching somebody at the beginner level, and an advanced level will very well be coaching somebody at the intermediate level. For example, I'm a doctor and I have studied anatomy as a subject in my first year MBBS, and I have devised different ways and methods to, learn the different jargons and different terminologies and remember them, and overall study anatomy more effectively and remember it more effectively. So what I can do as a coaching provider or as a coaching business is that I can help other MBBS students to learn anatomy more effectively, and that could be a lifesaver for them. I mean, I know that a lot of students struggle with anatomy in their first year, and it is not something that we can skip. We have to learn the basics. So that was just an example from my life, like what I could have done, like how I could help. You can coach people while you are being a student, and that sounds so amazing. I mean, you don't necessarily need to be an expert. You don't necessarily need to be working as a consultant in this particular case. Whereas you are in the same course as MBBS in this particular case, you can still teach others, right? And you can make some extra money on the side. Isn't that amazing? So while we talk about it, actually there are multiple ways of coaching. There are very personal offline ways of coaching somebody while I coach someone in person. There are different ways of online coaching. For example, I can offer consultation calls for 30 minutes or 60 minutes in return of my services. And similarly, there is also another concept of having one-to-one coaching long term, like in a package kind of a format, wherein it goes for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, depending on the length of the course. Also, what we can do is we can create a group coaching program wherein lots of people have the same pain points and same problems and issues, and you can help them with your existing experience and knowledge. Also, eventually what most of people do is that after gaining enough experience and feedback and knowledge, they can turn it into an online course with their additional support in the form of maybe weekly coaching calls or something like that. And that way you can help others solve a particular problem. So entrepreneurship or starting any business is essentially just a way to solve the existing problems of our fellow humans and also solve your problems using the same method. For example, if I feel stuck in something specific, I reach out to other people. I reach out for help because I know that they've done it, and rather than breaking my head over something, why not just ask it directly from somebody who has done it themselves? And I don't mind if I have to pay them for their experience or for their talent or for their skill set, and I'm more than happy to pay them for shortening my learning curve and for their skills, because they must have done a lot of work to acquire those skill sets, right? So now we have third model. Third model to start a business online is using your phone. Yes, absolutely. We are using social media in our daily lives like for n number of hours. We use it for 2, 3, 4 hours without even acknowledging it. So why not turn that distraction into a money-making machine? I like to think that way. And obviously, by working on different social media platforms, like whatever medium you like, in whatever way you like to express yourself, you can choose the platform of your choice. If you like long-form video format, YouTube is for you. If you like good, pretty pictures and short-form video formats, then Instagram is for you. If you like, let's say, funny content, then TikTok is for you. If you like long form written content, then LinkedIn is the right choice for you. So like there are so many platforms for each of our needs. So we can really choose what we really want to work on. From there on starts our journey of building a loyal, happy community. And I can tell you how important and essential that is for any business to thrive, to grow, and to reach to greater heights. Like for example, I have a very thriving business around YouTube. In case you're wondering why am I saying that, I'm co-founder and CEO of Intellect Medicos, and that is another medical channel that me and my partner has started about 4 years back, and we are able to grow it to 123,000 plus subscribers right now. So that is like the super exciting thing for us, and that particular thing opens so many opportunities for us, so many probabilities for us. And if I could do it working as a full-time doctor, you can too. I'm pretty sure that you can do it. And there are like different ways to monetize your particular social media platform. For example, there are paid brand deals for Instagram and YouTube. There is AdSense revenue from YouTube. You can also sell your services on these different platforms once you have credibility on these platforms and you have like good community over there. Also, you can sell your own products, be it physical or digital products, whichever way you choose to. You can make a lot of money from sponsorships on a lot of these platforms. Also, you can create your own range of merchandise and then sell it online on all of these platforms once you have a huge community for your channel. Now, did you just realize there are so many avenues and opportunities we can work on and we can create our business around it? Is it by any means easy? No, it's not. Is it really that simple? Yes, it is. And it is not easy, but any good thing in your life is not easy. Whatever good comes to your life, is not easy. If it's that easy, I think that it's not worth it. I mean, good things never comes easy. So yes, you have to put in the work. You have to create a community. You have to give yourself completely to this community. And whether you do it full time or whether you do it like part time or as a side hustle, it's going to take time. You have to be patient with yourself and with your chosen social media platform as well. And trust me, in no time, you will have an amazing community, people who love you, who like what you do, and it's really fulfilling and amazing. And you know, it all starts with just one single simple thing, and that is finding your passion. This one thing of finding your passion can help you start your journey as an online entrepreneur, and this one simple thing can guide you in so many ways. So I've created a worksheet specifically for this to help you find your passion, because I struggled with it a lot. I struggled with it for such a long period of time of finding which passion I want to pursue. My confusion was like, I have so many things I love, which way to go? I mean, I love photography, I love videography, I love YouTube, I love writing, I love drawing, I love talking about mindset, I love talking about business. Oh my God, which way to go? And trust me, it took me a long time and a lot of mentorships, and finally, I think I'm at peace with myself. But I have created a small worksheet for you guys that you can just fill in, and I would be more than happy to give you my personal feedback on that worksheet. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me. I'll give the link in the description below about both of these things, and also the worksheet. All I ask from you is that I want you to fill that worksheet, and my mission is to enable at least 1,000 people to make $1,000 this year. Now it's just start of the year. Let's see where it goes, but that is my mission. Also, if you fill in that worksheet and email me or DM me, I will choose 20 people with whom I'll book a call on planning their further strategy and game plan for making their first $1,000 online. So is it a deal, guys? And if you found value in this video, please hit the like button. It would just make my day. And also subscribe to this channel for online entrepreneurship, YouTube and mindset, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the notification of when I go live and answer all your queries. If you want to start a YouTube channel in 2021, I made a video that can help you with that. I can't wait to see you guys again. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all and see you next time.